Liam really has to pee. And what is he doing while he has to really pee? He's drinking more. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Burke Bunch Moment. The boy and I are on a road trip. We're heading to Waterloo because of what?
Because I lost something. No,
yeah, he left a toothpick in Waterloo, so we have to go back and get it. It's so annoying. No, really, what are we doing?
Gymnastics competition.
It's an Ontario Cup qualifier, so here goes. Long trip. Isn't this great, Liam? We get to drive together, spend hours talking together. Liam, isn't this fun? Liam? 6 hours. His phone is gonna melt.
It's hot.
We're driving in a snowstorm. Yeah, right? All right, we've checked in at the hotel, and we're just about to take a look at the massive pool. Water slide from the 6th floor suite. Awesome. He's really good with keys. Okay, Liam, maybe it's not massive. Maybe it doesn't go from the 6th floor.
Oh, I went this way.
This is like a comedy show. Okay, here, give me the key. We are at Walmart because Liam forgot his swimsuit. I kind of forgot mine too. So we're gonna, what?
I found the perfect swimsuit for you.
Okay.
Love it, love it.
Sweet. Size 4, it's my size. Might be a little snug. Okay, but we can get them cheap here. So I'm getting a size 4, Liam's getting a size 2 toddler. 16 bucks. 17 bucks for a swimsuit I don't even need? No, I've got a plan. 4 bucks. Let's go, Liam, 4 bucks. Okay, it's 4 bucks. 4 bucks. Boys extra large. I'm gonna squeeze into it. Save some bucks. All right, let's go. All right, Liam, are you pumped? Are you ready?
Stiff.
He's wearing like 18 layers of gymnastics clothes. It's got a singlet on. It's kind of squeezing valuable parts. We have some tumblers athletes here. You guys have a warning for the competition?
Tumblers are here. Don't even try. Roses are red. Violets are blue.
Okay, Liam's first event is going to be rings. He is actually literally first. Okay, Liam's second event will be vault. This is top event. We'll see how he does. Liam's third event is the parallel bars. You can feel the tension rising. And now on to Liam's fourth event, the high bar. Very high bar. Okay, we are down to the fifth event. Liam's now on floor. And now for the final event, sixth event in this Olympic qualifying, okay, maybe not, Ontario Cup qualifying event, the pommel horse. So Liam, how'd you do?
Healthy, but now horrible.
What? Horrible? Why? We spend $100,000 in gymnastics fees, and you say horrible? Show off those ribbons. Woo. Flare them out for us. That's not so shabby. All right, so Liam did not qualify for the Olympics, but he's got another shot. Toronto is our next stop, right? So work hard, don't get tired, and we're gonna go eat pizza, because I want pizza. What is it with the Burke kids and they always collapse? After exercising for 17,000 hours, we need food. Okay, I haven't been exercising. I've been sitting, so we're at the pizza place. Domino's. And Liam's playing a game, because he won't let me play. Taking turns. Liam said that I could go first, having never played the game, and then whoever dies, they use a switch. So I died right away, and now he's been playing for 42 minutes. She just called you. Thank you. Right. Let's go.
Can I lock this door so you can
I'm so starved right now. Check it out. The $4 swimsuit. Awesome. $4.
I walked around in a bit.
Come on. Nice and warm. Is that warm, Liam? That's why it's hot tub for the dad. Nice and warm.
I would do it if it was like a swimming pool.
You're gonna melt, Liam.
Can you do it?
Set the store. It's not.
Jets are broken, so Liam is our automatic water stirrer. Morning, everyone. We are packing up, ready to go. It is, what, 5:30 in the morning? No, it's like 10. Liam slept in forever. And
Dad, you slept in too.
okay, I slept in too. It was nice. Anyway, we're heading home.
What is that?
Free breakfast. Go crazy, Liam. Nice.
Okay, I'm done. Let's go.
But it's free. You gotta eat until you're sick. Liam really has to pee. So we did a little bit of math. The next rest stop is
2 hours and 53 minutes away.
12 kilometers from here. So we're doing ratios to figure. And what is he doing while he has to really pee? He's drinking more. If you mess this scar up, you can clean it up. Okay, we have 4 kilometers to go. 2 kilometers, Liam. How about we park here, Liam, because it's really busy. You want me to pull up closer? Is that what you're saying?
Yes!
Alright, alright. Go, Liam, go! Feel better? Next time, don't drink so much at the restaurant. And that is the end of the great gymnastics adventure with Liam and the dad. Hope you enjoyed it. Motion sick.
Hi there.
What a joy. Anyway, give us a like and make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all under Burke Bunch TV, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
There will be no next time.
There will be a next time.
There will be no next time.
It sounds very authoritarian.